Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 5. Ordering appetizers.
I am your waitress, Mary.
Hello, Mary. We are all pretty hungry tonight.
While you are looking over the menu, can I interest you in an appetizer?
An appetizer sounds good. Do you have a special menu?
They are listed on the first page of the menu.
The coconut shrimp looks good. Have you ever had that?
Yes, it is excellent.
Good, I'll take that then.
Would you like to split it and choose another appetizer for half price to share?
Good. In that case, we'll also take an order of onion rings. Thank you.
My name is Mary, and I will be your waitress tonight.
Thank you, Mary. We have been looking forward to trying out this restaurant.
Before your main course, would you like to order an appetizer?
Sure, that sounds great. Where are your appetizers listed?
There is a special appetizer menu right here in the center of the table.
The chicken and cheese quesadilla looks good. Is that pretty good?
You know, that is one of my favorites.
Okay, I'll take one order of that.
You could choose another appetizer for half price to share.
Perfect! Please add on an order of onion rings.
My name is Mary, and I will be your server this evening.
Hi Mary. We are really looking forward to a great meal here.
Can I interest you in an appetizer to start out?
I would love an appetizer. Are they listed in the menu?
We have our daily appetizers listed on the board over there on the wall.
I am thinking about the popcorn shrimp. How is that?
That would be a great choice.
I'll trust your taste and take one order of that.
We have a special where you can order a second appetizer for half price.
In that case, we'll take an order of onion rings with our first choice.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.